Hi, my name is Choon See and I'm Senior IT Director based in Penang and have been with Flex for 30 years. My boss, co-workers and users support inspire me to perform better. This combination of a good diverse team has helped me achieve great professional success, and this is what keeps me still going on. If you want to pursue a career in the IT and manufacturing industry, my recommendation would to be start as an IT developer, then business analyst and to project management. This is to get yourself familiarized with development skills and business processes. Focus on teamwork, build strong collaboration relations, and bond with business users and stakeholders. These are very important aspects of a career in IT and are key for any projects to be successful. Many times I will ask about what skills are needed for someone to be successful in my role. It is very important to be a good communicator. Use your project management skills and capability to build trust between co-worker, business user, and stakeholders. What I like about Flex is that this company has a strong culture of Lean, Six Sigma, and ways of working, and has many sites around the world. The culture here is what makes Flex is a good company to work with. Many people are shocked when I tell them that I have been with Flex for 30 years, and many want to know my secret of long career. So here is my secret. I like Flex as a company and people I work with. I enjoy the strong collaboration among the team with my co-workers and my manager. You too can find a career in IT in the manufacturing industry. Thank you.